to our Erasmus project about the environment. Our students have prepared short videos about the environment and how to protect it.
Water is vital for life. We can't live without it. Even though 3/4 of our planet is water, 90% of the water on Earth is salt water, 3% is fresh water, and only 0.025% of that is drinkable. And the number decreases every year, which means we should save as much water as we can. You can reduce the water consumption by just turning off the faucet while brushing your teeth, only running the washing machine and the dishwasher when you have a full load, or by just having a shower instead of a bath.
An estimated 40,000 species of animals live in the Czech Republic. The species inhabited here are typical species of temperature deciduous and mixed forest biomes. Hares, marmots, and martens thrive in the Czech countryside. You can also see pheasants, partridges, or wild pigs in the fields. Ducks and geese are also common. Protected species include toads, snakes, vipers, crayfish, scorpions, and, for example, some species of bats.
Hola, yo soy Katy y está en la parada en el autobús en Jocen. Es ciudad cerca de Vysoké Mýto. Mi tema es transporte colectivos. El transporte público es muy popular en la República Checa. Los beneficios del transporte colectivo son grandes. Es más seguro y consume menos energía que tener un automóvil. Además, este modo de transporte es accesible para todos niños y discapacitados. Otro plus es el precio, que es relativamente bajo y también hay descuentos para estudiantes, jubilados y escolares. Las conexiones de transporte público y los transbordos se suelen para que puedas llegar a cualquier punto de la zona. La gama de ferrocarriles chicos es una de las más grandes de Europa. Hay al menos una parada de autobús en cada pueblo. Hay metro en Praga y trolebuses y tranvías en las ciudades más grandes.
Tenemos varias fuentes de electricidad en la República Checa. Las centrales eléctricas de vapor producen la mayor cantidad de electricidad. Luego nuestras dos centrales nucleares, Temelín y Dukovany, y luego la energía solar, hidráulica y eólica.
¿Cómo salvar nuestra planeta en términos de ropa? Hace algunos años se ha vuelto popular comprar la ropa de segunda mano. Esto es muy útil para la planeta. No tiramos ropa que otras personas pueden usar. El próximo método como ayudar a la planeta es lavar vaqueros después de 10 usos en mínimo. Por lo tanto, vamos a salvar mucha agua y la planeta va a estar agradecida.
Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown into trash. It may seem like it's the perfect solution and that it will help save the world, but it's not exactly like that. It's actually only delaying the inevitable. But that's the thing that people don't really realize. It's become quite normal for families to own different types of trash cans for different materials, for example, plastic, paper, bioproducts, aluminium, steel, glass, etc. We can only recycle so many times. There's also a problem of not recycling correctly. If we throw everything that we can see into the recycling bin, and the workers that separate like small pieces of plastic on a cardboard, these types of things, see that it's not recycled correctly, then the whole thing is going to go straight into the dump. And that's not what we intended to do. Like, we had the right reasons, but we just didn't finish it. And it also does more harm than good. There's also a problem with when you, for example, take a flight and you would want to reduce the pollution that you caused by just going on the plane, you'd have to recycle like 40,000 plastic bottles. And like, that's not really possible. That's so much for just one flight. So recycling is a good way to help the planet for the moment, but it's not sustainable, and we've got to think of a better way to reduce trash. What we should do is we should look into the material that we are recycling. For example, eco products, they are made from plant-based plastic, so it actually doesn't create as much pollution and we can really recycle it. So the best way to help save the planet is not by only recycling. It's only delaying the inevitable, like I said. What we should do is we should inform the politicians or small business owners about using better materials, more sustainable ones, so that would actually help save our planet.